Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account and activate it again using the 2026 Accounts Center layout. First, access the Accounts Center. In 2026, all Meta-owned platforms share a unified settings hub. Open the Instagram app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right. Select Settings and Activity, then tap Account Center at the very top. Once inside the Account Center, scroll down to the Account Settings section and select Personal Details. This is where your private account ownership tools are located. Next, deactivate your account. Deactivating is temporary, meaning your profile, photos, and likes will be hidden until you decide to return. Tap Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the specific Instagram account you want to pause. Ensure Deactivate Account is selected and tap Continue. You'll be asked to enter your password for security and select a reason for leaving, such as, just need a break. Finally, tap Deactivate Account to confirm. You will be logged out instantly. Lastly, reactivate your account. Bringing your account back is much simpler than deactivating it, but there is one rule you need to know. To reactivate, simply open the Instagram app or website and log in using your original username and password. Your profile, followers, and posts will reappear exactly as you left them. In 2026, Instagram allows you to deactivate your account only once per week. If you reactivate today and change your mind, you'll have to wait 7 days before you can deactivate it again. And that's all there is to it. To deactivate in 2026, go to Settings, Account Center, Personal Details, Account Ownership, select Deactivate, and confirm with your password. To reactivate, just log back into your account whenever you're ready to return. All your data will be waiting for you. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.